So today another quick tip on how to fix the adhesive hooks from IKEA. They go by the name of SKOGHALL. So the back of these hooks is covered in adhesive material that you just stick to a surface, preferably some tiles and whatever, and then you don't need to drill any holes to hang your towels, probably in the kitchen or whatever. But with time, the adhesive sometimes becomes weaker and the whole hook falls off. So it's a quick tip how to fix that. So as you can see, we have some hooks here. The IKEA adhesive type, SKOGHALL, or whatever the actual product name is. And it just so happens that sometimes the adhesive at the back becomes somewhat weaker and the whole hook falls out off the wall. And you cannot really stick it back because the adhesive is no longer tacky. But there's a quick fix to that, and that is some thermal treatment. So the trick is to have an oven, a toaster, or any other oven that heats up to a preset temperature. In this case, we're gonna put our hook inside of the oven, of course, so that the adhesive surface doesn't touch anything. So this is standing upright, and then I'm just gonna play with the temperatures. I noticed that 60 degrees centigrade works pretty well. Alright, so it's 10 minutes later. The oven heated up to 60 degrees and kept the temperature there. So we just grabbed it out of the oven, and now it's ready for a reapplication to our surface. Alright, so we're back. We have the other hook still in place, and this one, just be sure to position the group upwards. Find your tile location and stick it into its new home. And that is a quick fix for this adhesive backed IKEA hooks. Just warm them up, maybe even with a heat gun, and stick them back to their surface.